Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Today I have my Echo Park warehouse box, and they do these a couple times a year. If you want to get in on one, the best idea is to follow on Instagram or Facebook. Follow a brand that you like if you want to see their warehouse deals or sales. This is sort of a grab bag type thing. You pay $50, and this time there was no shipping. I think sometimes there is. You get what you get. You can watch other people's videos, which I will tell you I've been cheating and doing, to see what they get. Yours will be similar in quantity, but you won't necessarily get the same exact things. So I watched, I think, 3 different videos, and some of my friends wouldn't tell me what was in theirs because they didn't want to spoil the surprise, but I was peeking at other people's. So here's my box. We'll take a peek in here together. I use the paper for all sorts of things, so I won't throw that out. Everybody was getting different cardstock in theirs. These would be great for a December daily. They are 1 through 25. Let's see what's on the back. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's called Christmas Countdown. This is part of the Merry Christmas collection, I think. I don't know this collection, but I love the red and white sheet music and these, so I will definitely use these. I don't need any Christmas, but I didn't need this box, let's be honest. And this is cool for me because I have so much Echo Park stuff. There's always a risk that I will have it, and I don't think I have these. So very cool. These are completely different than other cardstock that I saw people get. Some Halloween punch outs. These might come in a pack as ephemera, but in here they just ship them like this. And I think there's 2 sheets. Yeah, completely different. So the first one is Halloween, which, you know, I'm not against it. I love fall. Like this one, I absolutely love, and I will use a ton of this. I don't know off the top of my head what collection this is, but it goes with almost everything. And I think it'll go with that new Cartabella one that I just got. So really like this. I love fall most of all. Fall is in the air. Thank you. Brightly colored leaves, pumpkin season. Just fun. I'll just sit down, watch some TV with my husband, and punch all these out. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I am making gratitude journals, so I've got fall spread out. Rub-ons, it's a boy. I don't really see me using these. Like, I have some baby paper, but these I probably wouldn't use. And rub-ons are typically not my friend. So Beth, my friend, if you would like these rub-ons, they are yours. Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts is very good with rub-ons. I usually just fight with them. Okay, then I have 2 washi tapes. One of them has little sleighs, and the other one is just, I don't know, what do we call that? It's not really a plaid. It's just a red and white. This, I think I could use for lots of different things. You could use it patriotic. You could use it Christmas. You could just use it because you like red. More versatile than the sleighs, but both really cute. So I'll put those in with my Christmas stuff. Oh, okay, love this. A Perfect Winter. You know I love all the winter collections. And it's like birch trees or tree bark, ink, all sorts of things. This would be really cool with foiling too. Love this. This is fun. Enamel dots. I like these colors. I really like the saturation levels in the colors, so I will use those. Oh, hello, come to mama. Cartabella 12 by 12 paper pad. Now these pads with the 24 single-sided, that's unusual because they're single-sided, right? I mean, obviously you can read that. I haven't ever bought, well, I don't know that I've ever bought a Cartabella or Echo Park single-sided. Now maybe you guys have watched me haul one recently and I just haven't used it yet. But what I was wondering is, okay, so the paper in this is smooth. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is a funny one because I do not think I've ever purchased this collection. I think I had the one before it, but I don't remember the peach. And I think the tree and stuff is a little different. So look at that, super cool. I think this would make a really nice mini album because it's single-sided. I, of course, can make cards with it. I probably won't make journals with it, but I could make a mini album. 24, yeah, I could probably do that. So maybe that's what I'll do with that one. Metropolitan Girl, Stephen Duncan. This is a 6x6 of Cartabella, so it's going to be smooth. And I'm not going to cut this open because many of you have seen this collection and lots of people hauled this in their boxes. Brad's, Here Comes Santa Claus. You can mix almost all of these Christmas collections, so don't be weird about making up rules. Same with fall, just mix and match. Have a great time. Oh, hello, my friend. I'm pretty sure I have the collection for this. It is So Much Fun Cartabella. I think I have the stickers and the paper. I bought them last year and put them away safe. I just love Cartabella paper with that luscious texture, and you miss that in the single-sided pad that's in here, but you still get the beautiful. These are gorgeous. They'll be great for making cards. Love them. Oh, I love winter, more chipboard. Super excited for this too. All bundled up. Let It Snow. I love winter. I don't know. Have I used this collection before? Maybe I have. These don't look like they're beautifully cut. Is that just me? I'll have to pop them apart and see. But some of them kind of look like when I fussy cut things. Oh my gosh. It is a birthday set. You are the superstar of the day. Oh my gosh. I love stars, right? Absolutely love stars. Make a Wish. The balloon has stars on it. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. You Are Invited. Birthday Boy. Party. This is a little tiny star banner. Oh my gosh. Love it. This is not a set that I knew about, but I would have bought this if I had seen it in front of me somewhere. I definitely like things that have star in the sentiment, so then I can mix stars in, and I need to make birthday cards. So this is awesome. I'm excited. Oh, Puffy Stickers. You know I love Puffy Stickers. These are a cozy Christmas. I don't know if I have that one, but it doesn't matter. It'll work. Foil. Dots and Stripes foil. Okay, a lot of people hauled one with a bunch of blue, and I was super excited to get it. This will be fine. It looks like navy, maybe right there. It might just be a really dark green. It's called the Christmas Silver Foil Stripe Collection. These are also really nice for die cutting. If you want to do big squares or ovals or backgrounds, these make really neat backgrounds on cards and die cutting. Just a really nice way to mix in a bit of foil. And I do like to use silver a lot, so I'm excited for these. Oh my. So this is Spring Market, and it was originally made by Cartabella. I had it before and loved it. I think I must have had a 6x6 of it. I had a great time with it. I sprayed it with gold sparkle. I did all sorts of things with it. I don't think I've ever had the stickers. This will be fabulous. And this is double-sided. This would make beautiful. Beautiful journals. Yeah. Oh, and there's 2 pages in there that are the same. So you could also do double page layouts, it looks like, for scrapbooks. I think I will use this. I love this red floral. I love this one. The stripe. I'm not really into the whole cactus thing. That's kind of wasted on me. Howdy Partner. Not a collection that I would have picked up, but definitely something that I like. Now see, this one also, this was a Cartabella collection originally, but now it's made by Echo Park. So what that means is it was a Cartabella design, but this paper will be smooth. Oh my. Okay, I know you pink lovers are like, why did they give that one to her? So this is called Marion Bright, and it has pink in it. Pink with the Santas, pink in the lights. I think this is pretty cute. This might be fun for a December daily, huh? Lot of stickers. The stickers are brighter than I expected. I thought it was a more subdued collection. Really cute. Magic and Wonder. Oh my. I have so much. I have used a ton of this though, so that's okay. I can always have more. I love Magic and Wonder because of all the stars in it. If you look, it has a tone-on-tone star paper right here. It has Happiest Place Ever. A lot of the embellishments and stickers. Stars. There's a lot of stars. And I do love stars. Oh my. I think this collection I had before. I don't know. I don't remember this one and this one. But you know, I love all the winter collections. I mean, seriously, you can't make anything with this much blue and me not love it. Blue snowflakes, and there's like little stars in there. Super cute. Super cute. Love it. And I like it when the cut aparts are smaller. When they're 3x4, not 4x6. I don't like the 4x6 cut apart, so I'm excited for those. So I think when you look at a warehouse box, you have to really think, was it worth it for you? And so this is how I would look at it. I would say, oh, I would buy these. Yeah, I'm not against this one. I mean, it has pink. You know I'll use it. Probably make something that people are like, oh, that's the cutest thing ever. All that pink. Hang on, there's a method to my madness. I'm actually a little sad. Well, maybe they looked at my orders and went, that lady doesn't need it anymore. But I'm surprised that this is the only fall thing that's in here. I mean, I got a lot of fall in here, and I thought there's going to be a whole bunch more today. So it's kind of a blessing for me, because some people in their boxes had a collection that I've been working with this week. I think it was this one, Fall is in the Air. And I thought, well, if more is coming, I'm going to wait and see what happens. Okay, this is all stuff that I absolutely would buy if I bumped into it at Tuesday morning prices or was low on paper. I know, that's a crazy thing to say, but it's all stuff that I like and I will use. The cowboy country, oh, maybe a little more of a stretch. Still super excited it's in my house. I don't need any more washi tape, so I wouldn't have purchased these, but I still like them. Now, the only things here that I'm not like, yeah, I would buy, I wouldn't have bought the rub-ons. I would leave them in the store. I literally would leave these in the store even if they were $1. But that's because I don't get along well with rub-ons. I wouldn't have bought the Halloween punch-outs. But that's just, now I have to make Halloween cards, I guess. Or I can punch them out and mail them if you want them. Somebody else. So all of this stuff for $50, heck yeah. I think this was a good purchase for me. Now, some of it, like Magic and Wonder, did I need that? No, I did not. I probably have another one in here. But I'm super excited I did it. As far as value, absolutely. Because let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paper collections. And then this, I don't know if you call that a collection. And then the pad and the Christmas cardstock and Puffy stickers and these stamps. I'm super excited. I would definitely buy a box. And I honestly was thinking, okay, maybe this box is going to be a dud. And then that's it. That's my last one because I don't need to buy these. No, I'll probably buy next time too because I really think this was a good value and I'm not sorry I did it. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope you're having a great week and making time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.